Okay, so we discovered this flatbread. It's better than the brand I used to buy from Aldi for the same price. This whole flatbread is only 6 grams of carbs. So you can tell it's 14, take away 8 is only 6 grams of carbs for one flatbread, which is amazing because I used to cut the ones I would buy from Aldi in half, and they were 7 grams of carbs. And you'll find that brand on my enchilada video, which is really popular, or somewhat popular. People love their Mexican food. All right, so here what I did is I just heated it up in the microwave with a damp paper towel. Let me see here. Oh, goodness. Okay, so everybody has eaten. I'm not liking that shadow of my phone. Everyone's eaten, and there's still that much meat left. I picked this up at Aldi last night, and it's only $5.70 for the whole pack. It was a whole lot of meat, and that's still left over, so we're not finishing that. So pretty inexpensive there to buy. Let's see. Okay, so there's only 1 carb for every 2 tablespoons of this guacamole from Little Salad Bar. My husband already had his, and it was ginormous. So it's more than filling, and it came out to only 8 grams of carbs with the guacamole and the sour cream, which is phenomenal because it feels like you're cheating. It feels like you're having a huge burrito. It's like a huge portion. Okay, so there you go. And just spread it out. And that's more than enough guacamole. Or you can go ahead and make your fresh guacamole, but I prefer convenience right now just to make everything easier. All right, so it's 1 carb per 2 tablespoons. So I'm just going to eyeball it here. I haven't had a whole lot of carbs today, besides the broccoli and the carbs that are found in the broccoli. What else? I had bacon. I had that salsa, which was 2 carbs. So yeah, I'm probably at about 15 carbs for the day, including my broccoli. Even though it does have a lot of fiber, I had probably half a cup of broccoli, so I'll have to check and see how many carbs that is again. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. This is just seasoned beef for tacos, is what it's titled or named. Again, I got this at Aldi stores, and that should be enough. It does have a little bit of spice in the meat and the guacamole as well, so it's pretty flavorful, very spicy. So I'm not going to add any salsa, and the sour cream should be able to cool it off somewhat there. Okay, and that is it. Oh my goodness, how awesome is that? And then you just roll it up, leave the top exposed. Hold on, I gotta tuck this in so it doesn't fall out. So I'm trying to do this one-handed, and there it is. Look at that, amazing. Oh, yum, yum, yum. And I put like half of the amount of meat. I'll show you the picture of what my husband made. Not digging the shadow. Okay, so there you go. And that is more than enough food. Wow, amazing. All right, that's it for now. And that first bite was incredible. You guys have to try this. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. Yes.
We need to buy more of this. Forgot about this stuff. There's no... Oh, Best and March.